Everyone. So this is just a really quick video just to show you how to do this virtual lab. So the purpose of this lab is to make a visual representation of a couple of different characteristics and see how, like what kind of trend we see on the periodic table with those characteristics. So when you click on this first slide here, it says atomic radius. And the instructions are actually over here on the left. So you might have to kind of scroll to the left to see those. But what they say is click on a circle and open the format options. So on your Chromebook, you're going to have to do, you're going to have to click on the circle. If I can get it to work. There, click on the circle and then do a 2-finger click. Okay, so you have to scroll down on the menu and you're going to see this thing down here that says format options. So click on that. Here are my format options. So I've got to click on the circle and then open up the size menu. And like it says in the instructions down here, you are going to want to click on lock aspect ratio. What that's going to do is make the height and the width the same, which will help you out on this assignment. And then what you need to do is look over here at the atomic radius for, say, hydrogen, and change the width or height, either one, so that it matches what this table says. So see how it says 0.15? We need to change the width to 0.15. And then it changes the size of my circle. So it suddenly becomes very, very, very tiny. But that's what it's supposed to do. Okay, so you need to go through and change every circle to match the values on this table. So helium is right here. So it's going to be 0.12. And that fixed it. So just go through and change those sizes. And then once you have changed the sizes, then you're going to answer these questions. So the trend, so you need to say whether the size increases or decreases from left to right. So as you go from left to right, do the circles get bigger or smaller? If they get bigger, say increases. If they get smaller, say decreases. And then going down, when it says within a group, that's going down, like the group are these vertical columns. So the trend within a group, is it increasing or decreasing? So once you fix all of your circles, you can answer that question. And then you'll move on to the next one, which is ionization energy, I believe. And similarly to the circles, you just need to change the height. So click on your arrow. Again, you're going to want to lock the aspect ratio and make the height match what is in this data table. So hydrogen, for example, should be 0.52. And so our ionization energy for hydrogen is now a little bit smaller. And we'll do the same thing with helium all the way through those different elements. So that's basically what you need for this assignment. Hopefully that makes sense. There are a couple of questions on these other slides, if I can get them to come up. So